Welcome children to your own Bright Beams Academy. We did subtraction with borrowing in my last video. Now let's learn subtraction on an abacus. Children, I explained about abacus in my previous video. You can learn addition on an abacus also from that video. Now let's learn subtraction. To learn subtraction on an abacus, let's learn to represent 3-digit numbers on an abacus. 3-digit number has numbers at hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Let's represent number 132 on this abacus. Let's start with ones place. Which number is at ones place? 2. So draw 2 bits on ones spike. Which number is at tens place? 3. So draw 3 bits on tens spike. Now tell me how many bits will you draw at hundreds spike? 1, because 1 is at hundreds place. So we can say that this abacus represents number 132. Now let's solve one word problem. Be ready with your book and pencil and start doing with me. Children, do you work hard for exams and do you get good marks? Our friend worked hard and scored very good marks in his last exam. So his parents gave a treat. They visited to a shopping mall. There were 245 parking spots in the shopping mall. Out of this, 43 spots were occupied. How many spots were not occupied? Children, as you know, first circle the numbers and underline information related to the numbers. This will help us to write statements. Here, instead of giving number name is given. We are asked to find out number of spots not occupied. So we need to do subtraction. First, draw an abacus with hundreds, tens and ones spike because we need to represent 3-digit number. Now let's write statement. In subtraction, we always have to look at bigger number first. Which is bigger number here? 245. So number of parking spots equals 245. Our next statement is number of spots occupied. How many? 43. Now to do subtraction, first represent the bigger number on the abacus, that is 245. We know that this number has 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. So draw 2 bits on hundred spike, 4 bits on tens spike and 5 bits on one spike. Now we need to subtract number 43. In the number 43, 4 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. So to do subtraction, we have to take away the bits. So take away 3 bits from one spike. 1, 2, 3. Now the number 4 is at tens place. So take away 4 bits from tens spike. 1, 2, 3, 4. No bits will be taken away from 100 spike. How many bits are left on one spike? 2. So write 2. How many bits are left on 10 spike? No bits are left. So write 0. And we didn't remove any bits from 100 spike. So write number 2 for 2 bits. So 245 minus 43 equals 202. Our answer is 202 parking spots were not occupied. Now this is for your homework. Solve it and check the answer in my next video. Did you solve the word problem of borrowing given in my last video? Check your answer. Do corrections if needed. Children, do like, subscribe and mail your feedback to Bright Beams Academy. Thanks a lot. See you soon to do more math work.